Canon EOS 1500D 24.1 Digital SLR Camera in the color black. This camera comes in two style variants, 18-55mm with 55-250mm lens and EF S18-55. It also comes in two combo variants of camera with black headphone and camera with tripod and filter. This camera is equipped with APS-C CMOS Sensor along with 24.1 megapixel to capture all the perfect shots. With ISO of 100 to 6400 sensitivity range, this camera captures grain-free pictures even in low light. The DIGIC 4 Plus image processor along with 9 autofocus points ensure speed and accuracy. You can record full HD video with fully manual control and selectable frame rates. With Wi-Fi, NFC and Bluetooth built-in, you can control the camera remotely and transfer the images as well as the video footages wirelessly. Inside the box, you will find Canon EOS 1500D camera, EF S18-55 IS2 lens, strap, battery charger, battery pack.